on, focus. So we got Mello about 2 weeks ago. And I'm trying to tame her, or him. We don't know what yet, because the seer color is still way too young. But this Budgie, Budgie, Parakeet. Look, that's pretty good. My finger's right near it. So I've just been sticking my hand in there, sticking my finger in there, and just getting close, sometimes touching. But sometimes it doesn't like it. Sometimes it's okay with it. Also, another thing, I'll put my hand like this and just act like I'm gonna pick her up or him up, but then I don't. But yeah. All right. Come on. Get on there. Sometimes it'll put a foot up there. Oh, it actually went on me. This is the first time it's done this. It's later on in the day. Here, let's see if it'll let me go up. And try to put it on its favorite toy over here, the mirror. My arm doesn't go that much farther. It's stuck in the door of the cage. There we go. Wow, you guys got to see the first time the bird went up on my finger. And I get to look at it through a smartphone screen, but there we go. Let's see if I'm gonna put it back on the perch. Come on, go on the perch. Go on the perch. It's like, oh, there we go. So that's what it's been doing, flying around the cage, and for the most part when I stick my hand in there. But no, it was that, like I said, that was the first time it got on my finger like that. It's accidentally got on my finger, but that was the first time it's got on. So you just gotta gradually tame these parakeets. I've done it before. I'm gonna do it again. And the people that say don't stick your hand in there, these birds can handle it. They're young, they got a lot of energy. They can handle it. See ya, Mello. Mello's getting hit in the face with the swing. I'm gonna stop it.